I'm not soup, all right. I'm small, but I pack protein, fiber, and healthy.
So the food is talking on the internet now. And honestly, I'm not even surprised anymore. Talking fruit and food videos are going crazy viral right now with millions of viewers. And somehow a potato has more personality than most creators. The fun part is that they are very easy to make. You just need the right prompt, the right image and the right video tool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist. And in this video, I'll show you the full process step by step from prompt to image and then image to talking video. By the end of the video, you can create your own video in minutes. So start with step 1. In step 1, we will generate the idea. First, we just need an idea and a prompt. So go to ChatGPT, open the sidebar, click on apps and then GPTs. Here search for object top and start a chat with the first GPT on the list. Now you can type any food or fruit name. For example, I am choosing banana. It will give you two things, one prompt for the image and one prompt for the video. Plus it also gives you prompts for related characters to make more content, and the scripts are really funny. In step 2, we will create image. Now copy the image prompt and go to Gemini on a new tab. Click on create image, paste the prompt and just send it. Wait for a few seconds and boom, your banana is ready. If the image looks bad, fix it. You can make the edits on Gemini. Don't rush this because your video quality depends on the quality of your image. Once you are satisfied with the image, just download the image. Moving on to step 3, video generation. We need to give this banana a life. So search for Google Flow and open it. Click on create with Flow, then start a new project and adjust the video settings. Make sure you select the frames option. You can also choose between portrait and landscape, whatever suits you. Then click on start and upload the image we generated. Meanwhile, go back to ChatGPT and copy the script. Once the upload is done, just paste the script and send it. You can also edit the prompts if you got some different idea. And now you have your video ready. Flow has given us two different options.
I turn brown faster than your attention span. You leave me out, exposed, and then blame me for spots. It's oxidation, not betrayal.
I turn brown faster than your attention span. You leave me out, exposed, and then blame me for spots. It's oxidation, Key, not betrayal.
One is in a female voice and other one is a male voice. I like the male version better. So just click on the video you like and download it. That's all it takes. These videos work because they are simple and relatable. Pick any food, make it talk and post it. So now don't just watch this, go and make one. I'll see you in the next video with other useful topics. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.